Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to start a jam on the Spotify. So if you want to start a jam on your Spotify, and this is the new feature on the Spotify, so how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store mobile application and search for the Spotify. Once you will do it, simply update your Spotify application from here. After that, go back and open your Spotify application. Once you will do it, make sure you are using the premium version of the Spotify. So if you are using the basic or free plan of the Spotify, this feature is not for you. Okay, if you have the premium version, simply you have to click on the your libraries and your playlists. Here simply open any playlist, and here you will see three dot icon. Just tap on it, and here you will see jam option. Simply connect it with others. So this is the way to start a jam on the Spotify. So right now this feature is not available in my country. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.